The Cameron Can Foundation began 5 years ago. The first year was just a benefit for Cameron, and it started when we realized as a family that after 4 years of caring for Cameron, the financial burden was going to be extreme. And I remember when he was first born, in that first year, everybody was like, what can we do? What can we do? We want to do a fundraiser. And I was like, oh no, it's fine. We're good. We've got insurance. Everything's going to be fine. And you know, for the first few years, I think it was okay. But then the costs start compiling and you realize that this isn't going away. I mean, this is a lifelong condition he has, many conditions he has, and they will require a lifetime of care. And so we were in a tough spot, and luckily we had fabulous friends that saw a need and answered it. And they said, we're going to do a fundraiser for your family, which was extremely uncomfortable for Matt and I. But at the same time, you'd do anything for your child, and it was about Cameron. So we had to, you know, shake off our pride and say, okay, we need this. If we want Cameron to thrive, we're going to need some help here. And I knew there had to be other families out there like us that felt this way. And so the only way Matt and I felt comfortable about, you know, taking this charity was to say, well, we have to pay this forward. So that's what Cameron Can is all about, is paying it forward. We have to help other families because our child was helped. We know there are other families that are in the same position as us, and so Cameron Can is there to pay it forward. It's my way of saying thank you and then continuing his legacy on. I mean, Cameron, this is what you created. Whether he believes it or not, you know, now at the age of 8, I mean, his life has created this foundation. And for us, it's a legacy of him, and it's a legacy of care that we provide for other children and their families who are going through a similar situation. So it's a labor of love and something I feel quite honored to be a part of, and that I can say we took a really bad situation and we made it into something really special.